Welcome everyone to our video series related to the Business Technology Platform. Today we talk about Data Warehouse Cloud, and I'm very happy to have Torsten here, who is the head of our data warehouse offerings. And Torsten, while we continue to deliver on our on-premise solutions, Data Warehouse Cloud is our go-to solution. Which problems does Data Warehouse Cloud solve?
We all are aware that organizations need to empower their business users. Our environment changes fast, business and technology. Today, business users have a hard time getting their data. We need to empower business users, and they currently only can get manual extracts. It's hard for them to keep these spreadsheets up to date. They age over time. They even end up having disk shares. And it's really a hard time for keeping up to sync.
But that's not how it should be.
Exactly. Let me show how it looks like.
That would be good.
Assuming you're an sales analyst, and one of the typical analysis is a customer 360 view. In most of the cases, 80% of your needed data exists in one of your central systems. Let me start in your own space and connect to any kind of central HANA system. And we access our data virtually. As we want to combine two of our central data sets, we join it and enrich it with a formula which is called governed data set. This can be done once and provided to different business units via spaces. But as described before, it's only 80%. So we want to leverage 20% of our data, which is a local Excel file. We both combine them, we upload this Excel file, enrich it to our existing governed data set, and then finally, we have the possibility to use our SAC capabilities and visualize our data.
Okay, so if I see that correctly, Data Warehouse Cloud tackles the challenge that many organizations have, disparate data sets, many different systems. Now you can bring those together, have the semantical modeling here, and you can use SAP Analytics Cloud for a visual report.
Exactly.
Nice. What are customers saying?
We get a lot of positive feedback. Our customers really like that we have one solution which helps them from connecting to data, modeling data, and you're getting insights via our visualization tool. We had a really successful beta program with over 2,000 trial
That's
applicants. Amazing. And now even in our trial program, we have 1,000 applications.
Very good, very good. Where can everyone learn more about this?
We have a 30-day trial available, which you can find under sap.com/Data Warehouse Cloud.
Sounds amazing.
You're ready to go.
Very good. So this is what you need to know. Look it up and try the trial. And Torsten, thank you very much for that session on Data Warehouse Cloud. Look out for more videos related to the Business Technology Platform. Torsten, thank you.
Thank you.